Did you know Warren Buffett bought his first stock at just 11 years old? Now he's one of the richest people on the planet, but here's the shocking part. He built his fortune not through luck, but through simple, smart investing. No flashy tech startups, no crypto, just patience and strategy. So, how did Warren Buffett become a self-made billionaire? What's his secret to building wealth that anyone can follow? And most importantly, can you apply his methods to your own life? Stick around, because today we're breaking down the investment philosophy of the world's greatest investor. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, is a legend in the world of investing. He's the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, a company that owns major stakes in Coca-Cola, Apple, and many others. But what makes Buffett different from other billionaires? It's his unique investing mindset. He believes in long-term investing, choosing quality businesses, and avoiding speculation. Let's dive into Buffett's most important principles and see how they can help you grow your own wealth. Invest in what you understand. One of Buffett's most famous quotes is, "Never invest in a business you cannot understand." He avoids industries that are too complex or unpredictable. That's why he stayed away from Bitcoin and trendy tech startups. Instead, he invests in companies with strong brands and consistent profits, businesses like McDonald's, Apple, and Coca-Cola. So, before you invest in anything, ask yourself, do you truly understand how this company makes money? If not, Buffett would say, walk away. The power of long-term thinking. Buffett doesn't believe in getting rich overnight. He once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." His strategy? Buy great companies and hold them for decades. For example, he bought shares of Coca-Cola in the late 1980s and still owns them today. The lesson: wealth isn't built by chasing trends. It's built by staying patient, avoiding debt and risky investments. Unlike many investors who borrow money to invest, Buffett avoids debt. He believes debt can destroy wealth faster than anything else. Instead, he focuses on slow and steady growth. One of his biggest lessons is, if you don't feel comfortable owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. That's the kind of mindset that keeps investors safe from financial disasters. In The Value Investing Secret, Buffett follows a strategy called value investing, buying stocks that are undervalued compared to their true worth. He looks for companies that have strong earnings, solid leadership, and a competitive advantage. Want to invest like Buffett? Look for companies that have stood the test of time, are well managed, and have a product people love. Don't follow the hype, follow the numbers. Live simply, even when you're wealthy. Here's something surprising. Despite being worth over $100 billion, Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He eats McDonald's for breakfast and doesn't spend on luxury cars or yachts. Why? Because Buffett believes true wealth isn't about showing off. It's about financial security and freedom. If you follow these principles, you may not become the next Warren Buffett, but you can definitely build a strong financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on investing and financial success. See you in the next video.